Go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Baba Black Sheep.
Ba, 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 chit, now. Yes, sir, 3 years old.
Nga 3 years old man.
Yes, sir, you know one. Wally, 3 years old. Nowie, hurry, yan. Astro and the random in.
What is your name?
Daisy old.
What's your name?
Inya, Cabela, Palalus.
And how old are you?
Daisy old.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count again. Use your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay!
I can.
Let me see your feet. Let me see your feet. Nyeh. Dirty feet. Where are your toes?
No.
Move your toes. Move your toes. No, this one. Move this one. Nyeh. Where are your fingers? Where is your lips? Let me see your lips. Where is your nose? Ooh, is that a nose? Nyeh, what happened to the teeth? Let me see your teeth. Ew. That's why you keep on eating chocolates. So from now on, stop eating chocolates. Oh, where is your eyes? I can see your eyes. We do not touch the eyeballs. Where is your eyebrows? Your hair. Stand up. Where is your ears? Let me see. Whoa, what is this?
Ears.
What this one?
Earrings.
Earrings?
Mm.
Do you have earrings?
Yes.
Why you have earrings?
Inya.
Si Inya.
Mommy.
Where's mommy?
Work.
Where's daddy?
Work.
Where's mom? Mom Priam.
Open.
Where's baby Anzo?
Open.
Where's Tito?
Hair.
Where's Ate?
Hair.
Where's Anya?
Hair.
Where's the comb?
Hair.
Where's the comb?
Hair.
Where's the brush?
Hair.
Where's the pillow?
Hair.
What?
There.
Is that a pillow?
Yes.
And where is the blanket?
Hair.
Where?
There.
Where is the window?
Hair.
Hello, monster. Can you sing me another song? Okay. Sing me another song.
Sorry. I'm not big. Answer and the
Is it the Oh Nana?
Oh nana, saranay. Oh nana, saranay. Oh nana, saranay. Oh nana, saranay.
Waka waka.
Waka ay.
Again.
Waka ay.
Okay, finish. Bye bye.
I can see.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye to the camera.
Bye bye.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Bye bye.